This is my quick review for Amazon on the Dehydrator. I don't think you should get this, honestly. If you're looking to make preserved food, you should get a freeze dryer, but that costs about $4,000 to $7,000. This shrivels up and it takes over 24 hours to dry and just gets stuck here and chewy. This is great for your dog if you want to make snacks, but they shrivel up in size. Like that was a strawberry, so you literally get nothing. I don't recommend it, to be honest, but if you're looking for something cute and tiny, this would be good for your dog, but I wouldn't say this is like enjoyable to eat. Like why would you eat that? Save the money, get a freeze dryer. It's all stuck.